Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Colons and semicolons are two types of punctuation. Colons, smiley face, are used in sentences to show that something is following, like a quotation, example, or list. Semicolons, winking face, are used to join two independent clauses, or two complete thoughts that could stand alone as complete sentences.
Let's help you make your mark.
A colon instead of a semicolon may be used between independent clauses when the second sentence explains, illustrates, paraphrases, or expands on the first sentence. Example: he got what he worked for. He really earned that promotion.
Take our lead.
Use the semicolon to join two related independent clauses in place of a comma and a coordinating conjunction, and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Make sure when you use the semicolon that the connection between the two independent clauses is clear without the coordinating conjunction.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Examples of semicolons. Joan likes eggs. Jennifer does not. The cat slept through the storm. The dog cowered under the bed. Semicolons are also used in a sentence when something stronger than a comma is needed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Semicolons should introduce evidence or a reason for the preceding statement. For example, this sentence appropriately uses a semicolon. A colon, on the other hand, should be used for a stronger, more direct relationship. It should provide emphasis, an example, or an explanation.
Take our lead.
Use a semicolon between items in a list or series if any of the items contain commas. There are basically two ways to write: with a pen or pencil, which is inexpensive and easily accessible, or by computer and printer, which is more expensive but quick and neat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.